Does the rims on your Model Y or Model 3 look like this? I have a product today that's going to fix that and make you feel a lot more secure about parking and driving your Tesla. What is happening, automotive fanatics? It's Peter, your automotive fanatic, coming at you guys with another product unveiling, installation, and review. Today's video is going to be dedicated to Tesla Model 3 and Model Y owners that have either the 20-inch induction wheels or the larger 21-inch Uberturbine wheels. Now, like me, I'm for sure many of you Tesla owners have had the unfortunate mishap of actually damaging or curbing your rims. There are a few solutions that you can fix your rims. One of the solutions, you can go ahead and upsize your tires and actually add a little more sidewall protection so that you don't damage or curb your rims. The other option, you can actually have them powder coated if they're all damaged, which is a little pricey. And another option is having a mobile wheel guy come. They'll sand your wheel down where it's damaged, and then they'll do a paint over the damage and make it look like brand new. That's probably going to be the cheapest option. There is a company called MagBak that originally they made case protectors for your phones. They took that idea, brought it over to the Tesla side, and they created a product called RimCases. This is actually a pretty ingenious idea. I'm going to show you what we're talking about. So these are the RimCases that protect your induction and again your Uberturbines from damage. The casing in itself, or the package I should say, that comes from MagBak, you're going to get 4 of these RimCase boxes, one for each rim. You get this little tool, and let's just kind of dive right in to the box and show you what is included. So these are going to be the cases. You've got directions here. This is going to be little stickers, and I will show you what they are about in just a little bit. You get 2 sets of these. You've got some alcohol wipes, and then these are the clips themselves. Just to kind of give you a quick high-level overview, the cases, what they do is they will go on the edge of your rims, and they just kind of overlap each other just like such, like that. And they protect the edges of your rims from curb damage. And the beauty is, if you accidentally curb your rims, because these are modules, you can go ahead, remove it, get a new one, and your rim looks brand new. So the installation of the rim case, it is not difficult. The first thing that you need to do is you need to actually clean pretty much the very edges of your rims. Make them nice and dirt free as well as debris free. The next thing that you're going to do, you're going to use these rim protectors on the inside of the case. Now these are actually stickers that will go on the edge, and I'll show you how that's going to be. And then the very last part of the installation is just to essentially clip these together around the perimeter of the rim. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and install this and show you guys exactly how to get it done. The very first part of the installation is you want to have a nice clean rim to to work with. So I'm just essentially going to use a degreaser to clean the very edges of the rim. Just like such, and you can see they're filthy. Hopefully you guys can see the damage that I sustained here as well as here. So we went ahead and cleaned it. You can go ahead and use the alcohol padding that came with the kit to go ahead and wipe everything down. Now what we'll go ahead and do is we're going to start using those clear protectors to put them on the edges of the rims here. Here you can see the sticker that I put around the larger portion of the rim. Now I haven't folded it down, but I wanted to give you guys an idea of how it should look. Don't worry about any bubbles that you have here. It's going to be covered by the rim case. Now what you're going to do at this point here is you're simply going to push these over just like such. The next set of stickers that you're going to do are the larger ones that will go on the insides here. And kind of like the smaller stickers, you want to go ahead and place it where the little ridges that you see here will go out on the edges. And you can see that I've got plenty of bubbles. Don't worry about that because the cases will cover it. Now what we'll go ahead and do is we'll start clipping the cases on. I have started to install the little clips. MagBak recommends that you start the one with the valve stem, and there is only one that matches the valve stem, so you cannot mess up. So what you do is you clip it in, you go counterclockwise, and I find that these are actually very easy to put in. You put it to the back side like this, and then just clip it up. Just like that. Okay, there's one. We're going to go ahead and do this one. Same thing, clip it underneath first. For the very last one, there is a technique that MagBak shows you how to use this here, but I find this way might be a little better. So what I do is I inserted the very last one onto the first one, and I make sure that this is clipped underneath on the wheel. And then from there, I'll just push up, just like that. Very easy, you're not gonna break anything, it's secure, it is underneath, and that is how it will look for the rim case. Now the beauty to the mag case setup is because each one is modular, you can actually remove one should you end up curbing this part, or somewhere down here. And I find the best way to do that is you're going to take the curved portion of the tool they give you, you're going to run it underneath, and you're essentially just going to pull it out. Just like that. Now that part, let's say, is curved. You can go ahead and put a new one in. Same thing, I just put it, let's say this is a new one. I'm going to put it right in. I'm going to make sure it's clipped underneath and clip it right in. Now I can tell you, removing it was pretty tough, and that is just a testament to how these rim cases are not going to fly off when you are driving around. So they're very secure, it looks great, and I think it's going to protect very well because these actually come out a little bit from the tire, so you will have some great curb protection. So what did you guys think of the MagBak RimCase. Do you think it's a worthwhile accessory for your Tesla, or do you not? Post your comments below. I'd love to hear your guys' feedback on the product, and so would MagBak. For me, I think it's a nice addition to the accessories that you may end up buying for your Tesla. For one, it creates a great barriers protection for the edges of your rims so that you do not curb your original rims. What I like about the product even more is the fact that it is modular, where you can take one piece out, buy a new one, and slap it right in, and it looks like you got a brand new rim. So very well done, MagBak. It receives my 2 thumbs up for recommendations on an accessory to protect your Induction or Uberturbine rims for your Model 3 and Model Y. If you are interested in purchasing this product, I will provide you guys a link so that you can check it out and to purchase it with a discount directly from MagBak. Thank you so much for checking out another accessory review for your Tesla. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video, as it does help with the YouTube algorithms that pushes this video up higher to the top. As usual, my automotive fanatic family, thanks for stopping by and checking out another video. This is Peter, your automotive fanatic, signing off until the very next time, my friends.